Sringa diski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi sringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme.
What's up, football lovers? I'm your host, Biri. Welcome back to Serenga Ngediski. Please comment below and let us know your prediction for the new PSL season. This is Serenga Ngediski. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video. Please, Bafete Sankela, do that, because when we check on our watch time from our subscribers for the last 28 days, Bafete, people who are checking our show who not subscribed, we have 92.6% of Abantu Abapegi show, they don't subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. And we have Abantu Aba subscribe checking the show, it's 7.4. Please Bafetu, let's just make sure that at least at the end of this year, Bafetu shang 100% ya wonke umuntu subscribe Bafetu. It's free to subscribe, it doesn't cost you money. You just click that subscribe button, Bafetu.
Ola Bafetu, this is your G General Bafetu and a 10 mashume Mpatoloa. This is Serenga Ngediski Aditome Twe. Ola Pia.
Awe machene chene. Direndaso.
Ay, tengata ke maka Fetu nka ka wena.
Ke re gale re ba siile batho ba na Fetu mara ne tsere ba tshwara ka mohala via the World Cup game ne tsere shebile mara ntwe mna to gore no tso ba ka response o ba ka di report tse prop.
Sure.
So yeah man, hey, since re khutla da so ko World Cup wa bana le di pre-season le tsona di pre-season re ringile ka tsona. After tsona wa bana le di first game. Yeah, first game I think man a re weka game ya edletseng pele ya Pirates ya Lepagania mo le winning ke 2-1 ne.
Yeah, we need to.
Yeah, lela 2-1 that's. Yeah, but don't try lo rena we bone jwang first game ya Lepagania ha ne ba dlala no ba qala.
Well, so far, according to my perspective, it was all about knowing how to tackle formation from the new players. Because of Naga Cheka, so many players needed to level design from other teams. More like Rele, the miners of Mbogazi, and all sorts, you can name them. That's only Tabayar no coach at Lohono Tibori. The new players, which is the youngsters, the Fitlenko Coco teaming, the Lohono adapt style of play sa Pirates. That's only Santa no paywa, which is now it's promising. Kibone is something. Unalantana Zagi Bonin nothing. Bona ntone le ke mankeng rapo ai ba fetu a re tlolentse maka ba fetu da wa phiwa Pirates tlo ka team tse pa mathata di santang di tlo tensa di team
o re nka dancing
bona
nele man
kutlo le Kevin Hunter bua ga ntone la lla ka yona bona da ba fetu ba tsilo lo signa cause o tsilo ntsha nyoko da.
So yeah man ho khutlela hanyane da ko di pre-seasoning wena Grand what's your take? Do you think for the pre-seasoning but to understand or ba the coach ne di shebile new players or ne di shebile eng but to understand for pre-seasoning ya kana?
Well, honestly, so pre-season was all about tackling for a build-up. Ne ba zama ho bona hore team e kopana ho fihlella kae before re tlo qala di-Betway, which is it started ka di-1st tsa August. So ne santsane ba batla ho bona. It was just a build up. Santsane pitsa ne santsane e phayiwa da.
So yeah, because no nane ke re ka check ane
Yeah.
for na ewa. Everyone is saying the same thing, or a coach na batlo bana di players and stuff. Now I'm saying ne re tswa ko World Cup,
Yes.
which is we saw what was happening ka international players.
Yeah.
Ra khuta ra tla go di pre-seasoning,
Sure.
which is le tsona hape ke international players.
Yes.
But now we always checking new players tsa rona hore mang o dlala jwang hore why don't we check the pace, because these players tsa ka daso or kantene ba dula ba re shafela ka pace.
Sure.
Or
Strength,
hantle-
le strategy.
Yeah, strategy sa bona rona we know how to play soccer, but
Yes.
now if we can have pace, because bona ne ba re shaka di ding hore bona ra 90 minutes before e fitla mang sa khathetse
Sure.
or so bona ra bafana ba ba utlwile.
Stamina.
Yeah, so ke ona nna di ding e one ne ke bona hore I think batho ba no tshwantse hantle ba check le di ding ya stamina. Nkile ra ibua le chief la hore why ha ne ke le coach maybe ya Pirates hore ne tlo dilo hore di player tsa ka ha o bana le di marathon era ke comrade marathon or Soweto marathon
They
ba ba
party.
ya
Yeah.
ba ba ko pele ba matho re kgone ho bana le stamina why
Sure.
yeah, so yeah, wa e bona le free kick ya ke mang a police.
Ei mfethu. Antwana le ke staba feta le ba itlwella nyane ntwana ile man. Na le technique nyana e nngwe sa e fosterane because of each and every game. O ka something different. His style of play ka se confirm. O tla o confuse mfana o tla o tawa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you think Pirates they are promising for another win ya this league over shebile nje?
Where they left. I think with this new technique ba itshwereng no. Ba tlo ka problem. It's still gonna be that Pirates le sokodisang. Mo le mo ba sileng teng. O phewe o dima yona pizza eo. So 3 futi phame from that 20 wa twatele ya pitsanyana nyane se le pizza le khoti le o kenya khomo no.
Oh
Wa
yeah.
iwa.
Ka mo le bafana ba konya ke mang ke bone relay na his team
Ah. Kana you know ne ka da.
o shayile the last penalty da so.
Dana sa kukile trophy a fitla.
Ow.
A fitla.
Ilana ne ke tsho ke re it's another thing nana ya go a white place.
Yes.
And white people is starting calling you president.
Imagine.
Rona ke president ama 2000.
Yeah.
Rona ba tseba ke ama 2000.
Sure.
But God also ever meet Mr. President. So I feel or I am fana otla grand wa represent.
Sure, I definitely.
Then Mbogazi yena o etsalang ona le injury or o etsalang kara.
Yeah, Mbogazi has an injury. Ke tsebo o wele ka mokokotlo or something. So that thing nje ha isantane mkhawatha for now because of utlotswa for now tshwantse re mo lebale hanyane for him to recover.
Yes.
Yeah.
And ke yona that thing or tshwantse re tlo e renga cause usually re bone most of the players tsaka hiso te re lela or di do dlala ko international.
Sure.
But now there's this episode etlang I want us to make research pele re tlo check or why the players tsaka hiso di sa khone fihla ka daso. Then ha re qeta we share that research, I think kona re tla share the episode ya o teacher everyone or o etsahalang.
Sure, I yona re tla bela letsatsi lena le tla fitla.
Then game ya Kosi lona le bone jwa.
Yeah, because it's promising. It's promising. I don't want to lie because of the coach una statement sa ileng as keeper. Or what we saw mostly ka second game, not even the first game. Ke ntho tshwantse re expect throughout the coming games.
Hey, o renga mfano lo shayileng free kick mo le Kosi. Ya team ene dlala le Kosi.
Ntwana Ndlovu.
Hey.
Ah, ndane
Hey.
ke ipotso ga itse draw ra loser yi.
Hey phela polele nna ne ke re itswile.
Ah, shapile stena.
Hey pole
Amazing.
entle ke jigile jwang wa bona ya ba re ke boloyo re king a ke tsebe re kene
O
jwang.
ka re betsa e futwela moya wa ikisa kena ka ga net.
And also ya vele guy e se ya go half time.
Exactly.
So yeah, wena le Kosi the signing starting everything with bona di le jwang.
Okay, so far I'm impressed ka Ntwana Langelihle ke mang Langelihle Phili. He's from Stellenbosch. I also have a question about how do we rate his signing? Because I believe in that youngster. He's a young winger, if I'm not mistaken. Bolo teng umnate mfanole. A chance given, he will give us something. Ke tsona di-players e le gore ne re di expectile like even ke mang Adolf. There's Adolf ke mang Mtasinga. There's also Thabo Moloisane, which is well, I've been waiting for that player to be signed with Kaizer Chiefs. There's also Ronaldo Liena. I think that's a goalkeeper, if I'm not mistaken. There's also Kanyiso Mai now. He's he's in a permanent deal with Kaizer Chiefs. Because of Akene le motho le ne re itse ra mo signa ra mo tutsa. He was part of a loan. So now since ele a permanent deal, bona mfete. The coach I'm telling the cruise, I believe le ena o tseba story sa hae. And only if yes, it's a family business, a family team, we know that. But only if they don't allow over a part ya coach in Tamang, Kenya Mang, they give a coach a chance. Or I a technical team ya believe in me. The silverware that the coach is looking up for, no, as he stated in his previous statement. And from silver, we're going back to gold.
Yeah, because today when I was coming as a get driver,
Sure.
I had Ngarke management ya Kaizer Chiefs mo le CDFM. Ne ba bua ka bafana ba banyane ba sainiwe ngore ba tletse da ko Kaizer Chiefs village.
Yes.
They even gonna take them for school and everything. So I'm starting to have a doubt. Re ka sheba re Pirates ka khutla. What if Chiefs ilona e khutla ka ntho tse ding? Because no, this is soccer.
Yeah.
Ka tamzera o jwetsa ra ke bolo e ka se confirm.
This guy not therefore. And was good my Chiefs is any silence. Sizozwa njengethu qa. Ngaphakathi ukuthi asekwenzakele.
So do you have anything to say about Chiefs or we can cross?
So far, not to forget about the emotional moment from Uluk Bartman. He got a man of the match from the previous game against Kruger. That boy, he was out for too long. Why? Because Berangana game time. After he had a conversation, an inspiration conversation with Kizam Town Jr. About last season. He kept on giving him the head on, would keep on going, do not give up. Because of, if you remember about our previous episodes, there was a time whereby he got a chance, he performed in Skate Singani. It was that time whereby Abo Villarreal were giving Abo 15 minutes. He was also part of those 15 minutes in Abo Valepai. So now because of, it became an emotional moment because his performance and the game time that he received from the previous game, it's giving us something because of the more you give those youngsters chances and more game time play. Believe in me, there's a lot of competition ku Betway this season. Most ngala amaplayer lawo mancane.
Wena akusho ukuthi akuzonyika.
Kusazoshuba kusazodanswa ngaphakathi eground.
Wena manje yangitshele silokhu siyakhuluma kwenzakalani kabiyelo kamasandawana asadlala.
Honestly, when it comes to Sundowns, it's been a straining season for them. Maskhumbula phela masithi siyabheka there's a reflect of interruption ephumile ku pre-season. Involve Jaden Adams passing, there's fatigue also. Udlalwe iCAF, udlalwe World Cup, the players from Sundowns. Bekune strain esiningi coming from Sundowns. So for now, Sundowns, we have to just be patient. They're still moaning. It's still hard. But I believe it's one of the teams now, it's a hard-working team.
But as Kawat, because I think there was this other clip that I was checking.
Yeah.
About someone like a mandate player. They used to play today, tomorrow they make sure happy but your muscle they ain't supposed to relax.
Sure.
So bona never ba Kawat ba relaxite ba mounile so.
Yeah, it's about Kawat. The only thing they just need to buy and they have to just switch on and know good we are in business, we mean business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because rona fit to more entertainment in rona la hlaile tsilefu bana lo jwetsa re monna. So you think gore ditaba di tshwantse ka hlela cause he no hlele lefu.
You understand?
So you think gore ba tshwantse ba ska sheba TV gore he no hlele lefu. So eba that thing ya deal or you sainile like it or not you gonna be there whether it's dark or blue.
Yeah.
So now I ke bona ngare ba batlo ikhawatha man.
Yeah, so far bona ba khawathile but let's just give them a chance.
Ba moune.
Yeah, ba moune. They will come back. It's not an easy thing eba ditseng le yona. It's something that was never expected obviously. First into lo wa ipiletsa lona let at any given time.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
I kaleba Mr. Jenna. Do you have anything to add on?
I'm glad about this. If you remember, there was this goalkeeper Kilenka Buakayona. He was amazing. I don't remember this guy by meet and tape.
Yeah.
Now signed TSK Legs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm impressed with the signing of Mukailenyol. That chance. Lena Limsheve, let's come pota.
Yeah,
Limu Facebook. Limulele mahlo.
or utlwetsa
yeah
mehlolo
o tlo bona la mehlolo laso
then ntwane man dladla yona o etsalang
dladla which dladla
dladla goalkeeper via Lepagani.
more I get say because of I don't think they have confirmed anything le yena so far I can information e baya ka yena ona so actually tell story sa hae yeah actually tell story o pola yena yeah ena actually tell story sa azang ke silahlele fandi one actually silahlele like Stevie ante tla be ke bua maka nka ke commenta ka yena
All right. Anything?
So far unless maybe you have questions so something umpotse tsona but so far nah
For today we don't have a lot of questions. We just gonna tell people about fit, but subscribe, about like, about share a video every time. About fit, please.
Sure. They know what to do. You have to subscribe, you have to like, you have to comment. Bafetu let's kale balang bafetu. Lidi comment on the important. We are not soccer analysts, we are also sports fans. Nathi siyalthanda ibhola siyalilandela njengana balandeli. Asibonge. Each other.
Baipegi from Soweto Blankets bayibhege ngiyazi abanye bathi ngubo njengawo uthi ngubo babang bari ke kubo bayibhege from Soweto Blankets bayibhege sinje masithanda sithi support udadi sikulethela ama import wengubo bayibhege ulale kamnandi sithi support udadi
from Soweto Blankets. Bye, Peggy. Ulale kamnandi.
sikulethela ama import wengubo bayibhege ulale kamnandi from Soweto Blankets.
Chief, my chief, how are you, sir?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself?
Not. Hey man, chief man. What's about since you don't send that so but before you play la voice note to a maybe un child something or bare we tshotse go kae ho etsalang una le voice note on send it in yona ya ma o leader re na bua ka wena da ba re ne ba bua ka wena da ko World Cup da ke ipotso rao se rona le mzero o monyane o rona le mzero grote da ha se ba re ba renga ka wena ba ra no di shadi goal so chief ba re no etsalang daso.
Good morning to the viewers of Serengeti. Nekiclean, I was saying, the voice message again. Again, I read the World Cup. Nizaba khuluma ngawe ukuthi bokahleli ibhola ngesikhathi sakho. I was like kuphi said ku TV le bekudlalwa khona iWorld Cup. I said awushuthi ngiyaziwa amakhulunywa ngamosi kude kanje.
Hey, I coach no chief. Libito la lately everywhere.
There was a game here, Chiefs akithilinga usiwidlala. The commentator again said, "Wathi yababona labafana bonke baseshawela. Lento eshawela iqali ngabo. Dala bekhona ubaba wathi umzorewo. Angazi ifusaphila ushonile na. Le yankosi beyidlalela ibhola elibhlungu kabi. Beyishaya inet manje benganasikhathi benganastone.
Hayi kanti ngempela uMr Mzrewa is still life and kicking. Yeah, bayabona ngisho naba bayebhekile bayabona ukuthi ayi still life and kicking. Yeah man chief aringeka game alibhakaniya yena game alibhakaniya uyibonele jwani chief?
No, iPirates idlalile. What the coach has said is what I'm saying. Badlale ngamathuba. We should have buried that team alive. Bekufuze kora amagola into yokudlala bayalithandazela bayalincenga bayalifikisa eboxini mara finish up inkinga yiyo leyo.
And that thing is what I was talking to the general on the previous episode mo ka di pre-season ke tswa ke re ra fitla daso mara motho o kenya mbolo hayi o reng a ina ba fethu e re ke shape palo ngare no la o fitla ka mohare mo 18 ngona le this thing of pasana o tshabo re no o shapue ball. So don't you think that problem ke yone e tlo re costang ha o yako.
if lefu la mbatha le ka ba kena kaofela, when I talk of sickness ya mbatha, taking a drive from a distance, kaofela ba ka itlwaetsa ho shoota, then re tlo wina. But if ba sampana ba we polish 100% ke ba kaya, mara fastering abakeni because na le goal tse 5 no dula fatshe ngola. They've made an average of goals for 12 ke ba bulele tlapele ka score save. Bona ba yaga, but actually they are doing nearly, actually national changes tse ngata. You could list the very same team ya last season winning the treble. So ki mo le mo no shota fedori ba tshwarise net fela.
Ebe done.
Done.
Then ka bona ne ba tshwarisa ba tips the chain ke ipotsa re man o etsalang ka ntwane e dladla.
Like I'm saying, Yabona coach Pirates, very clever, that boy, I love him. Why am I saying that? Uthathe zonke lento analyze was bega ngaphandle. Wathatha bajwayelo oqala ngabo. Iyenzwa kanjalo iplayer mayiseseyintsha isafikiswe endaweni. Awuyiqala uyilahlele nje uzoyiphazamisa. So ibambe uyinikele yo taste ye 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. How etsa jwalo? Leona ya khuthala plus akena crowd ya hlanya so it's next. Kore hanyane. Utlaba tloyale ki yo dancing ki ena no. And the coach is relying and banking onto that young man, which is a good thing when abamqala ka di game anyane. So what and ka rena sa itshwere ntwe ba e batlang. So coming to the goalkeeper, that boy pre-season games, personally now I was impressed. The way that boy was doing things, now ka 0-0 ukene owaluna wa goalkeeper ba re ke China ba mo shapa ka net. So ntwanele ibele le goal 1 if I'm not mistaken or 2, but yona mamela, that is why ba tsamaisitse o lo tsamaileng gore ke buthelezi gore ke mang o batla o tsamaisa ole ke bulela ntwana ena e nyane chance.
Then Radio Pani no mona le jwa.
No, it's coming. For now, nkari if u ka isheba coach Mshebile bo ne ke Mshebile ko di pre-season games. Na ke ena it's a span. He's always on the run, but now how can this game ba ile ba muisa komra instead of adule boxing as the position ya dula boxing.
Yes, yeah. Then ba bana le this thing ka tseba ra yo Kaizer Chiefs general sa ringile ka yona ai Kaizer Chiefs ai shebe sona a re jampele da ko le Sandawana wa le Sandawana tsele sa game so
Wa tse ke a utlwa le ya bore Sundowns tso khathala in same. How many players of Pirates were playing in the CAF? I mean, in the World Cup. We understand. And they came back and went and joined the guys who go pre-season training. And from pre-season training, here they are. They've started to kick the ball again.
And le mo pre-season I remember ka rona le game re riletse vandag ra dlala hape lo sana.
Re dlala di game di latelana. Ba ba tlo bona strength sa majita le fitness ya bona, which of course ba sharp. So ki technically ti fela sentse ba ilukise ra majiteng.
So when o re Sundowns swetseng e khathetse or yazile.
Bazila yini ngoba lo muntu unqatshwe isikula ngathi usheshe wabekwa la mfana zanga thatha isikhathi njengathi. Ngoba thina bodaki sinokubhanka umuntu ngathi imali simbeka ahlale emochara bulawa amakhaza maza phela. Ifridge izimqede lo muntu. So la makhalati awazange bathatha isikhathi lamakula. Tele ntwana mayicede ukuthatha impilo yayo bavele bathi nokungcono sheshe simbeke lo mfana bayabombeka.
So there's no need or bazi.
Hayi kuzilwa yini?
Or maybe ba emetso o tshelwa ka metsi.
No, angeke kwazi into ama-belief wethu awafani. Abakalikhanyane basebenza ngendlela yabo. Ama-apostoli asebenza ngendlela yabo. Inyanga nazo zisebenza ngendlela yazo. So zihlukile lezi zinto lezi. So le yabo labayana asimeni siboneni ukuthi babuya nani baphetheni.
So there's any game that are coming this week?
Ke di top 8 fair.
Ke di top 8.
Yeah, MTN 8.
I could sure know this coming week re tla check out top 8 then we'll be talking about it.
Ki yona fela ki gore starting ka yona Pirates le Sundowns and then the following day ki Chiefs ya kitsili dia latelana.
Aye, that means we're gonna be having nice soccer.
Yeah, it's 2 Saturday, 2 Sunday.
Then rona re tla se ba re bona episode
rona rena le ba makula lo yang ba Durban City ba re dali samhluku ba re timme di points ba
ora ke ba asiba shembe
o ka mixa because
corona los group sona so tum
oh na ya ya Durban City.
Yeah.
What did Ivan to say?
Mara lo bilang sendela clip e nngwe le wena chief ba bontsha re a ke sa opola re ke player if mo bontsha ngara ka fela wena ke Sundowns sina le tsona Pirates le bona bana le metsi ya tsona ke sa opola ke man player ne itshore ba bang ba hlapela mo bateng e one ba bang ba tla ka didentse tsa bona so this thing it thing everywhere
Ke tse boloi. Ke maponiseng. Ke botitjhereng le polong.
Yeah.
Ka tsola la boloi.
that's why I know hona le this other thing or nka ruto bana le debate nyana the question tsa FIFA that's or no mo fifeng bo baya no na le botsotsi na le ba bang ba re konyekeng ba re keng konje wa ke le bala le bitso le la English ona le this other ones ba re that's so this polo tsene ba di kenya di sense how do we show hore sensor ele ne le sensor ya o for ya fela we are not sure hore sensor ele ne ba gone control or gone control ball.
Like I'm saying to you, Sky Valiela, boloi boteng polo.
Everywhere.
Now I once had this thing of one kayona. They control a polo. I tshwere motho ke motshwaretseng yona kantle.
Yeah.
And I tshwarwa ke lona never idlale. 3 touch a le kopanya. Mara re ho rona right owner ke ground eo. Wena ke a lona ground or ke a rona. Ka riding re owner ona sensor next. Why can no sensor all these years nearly guy.
Yeah, bon, yeah.
Nyane ba thol phazamisa.
Wa bona ai re kwa le chief aswa rona renga iso ai nga re tsosa ba robetseng ba tsho ba re le rona phela nkile rare ba batlo ntsha di secret ai a re kwa le show chief re tla continue se re continue maybe re tla etsa di episode tsona tse proper mo re tlo renga ka yona di ding e tsala mo diski
Polo ina le thotse ngata le yona fela ina le thotse ngata but anyway Nagile wala fellow new season. We are back together. She is back. You are back. I'm back. Although Tav is not here, Mkulu will be back full time with us very soon. So I think we have to keep on.
Yeah, sirringenge diski why.
I could do that. Janje babeka subscribe balike then subile.
Thank you chief.
Just bongela.
Bless.
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlale idiski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya yibungi likijane laba
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Siringange Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Siringange Disky, ah ah. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio they go, go. I caramba no. Siringange Disky, that's the only truth they know. He wakes up, no kiss, just a score line. Did you see that red?